Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's day 3 of my birthday card a day in September 2023. If you're just joining me for this series, I am doing a birthday card a day for the month of September to 1, celebrate my birthday. I love my birthday month, and for 2, to build up my stash of birthday cards. And then I'm also hosting a birthday card challenge in the Crafty Fun with Friends of LV Handcrafted group on Facebook. So it's just something fun, and I'm just enjoying making some birthday cards. For today's card, I used this Unity stamp set, Hugs, Kisses, and Birthday Wishes. It's a really great set. It comes with so many sentiments and this cute owl. Because of the size of the owl, I did make a square card, and the Newton's Nook Frames squared dies were perfect for it. And then I also wanted to add a little bit of dimension to it without doing too much. And so I used this corrugated embossing folder from Stamping Up. I'm sure it is long retired. And so here is my card today. Isn't that owl just so adorable? Again, I did do a square one because of the size of him. He would have worked on a regular A2 size, but I just thought it would be fun. And then I was trying to figure out where to put the sentiment, and my daughter's like, put it in the balloon. And I was like, how clever is that? You can see that corrugated piece of paper that I did there with that embossing folder. And then, of course, I lathered it up with glossy accents. They are one of my favorite things lately. So that says, love you there. And then on the inside it says, I hope your birthday is full of cakes and balloons and love and laughter. I really liked that sentiment. So there is my birthday card for day 3 of my birthday card a day September in 2023. I love the glossy accents. I'm almost out, and I'm going to be trying the Pink and Main. I think it's a touch of gloss is what theirs is. I'm not sure. Anyways, I will link everything in the description box below that's still available that I could find. And I will be back tomorrow, and tomorrow is my actual birthday, so we'll see what I can come up with for that. Have a great day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty.